Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set lift to show lock screen in your phone Nothing Phone 1. That is, if you put lock screen and if you lift your phone, basic info will be showing in the lock screen. You have to do some settings in your phone. For that, first go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings here and then go to display. Then go to lock screen, and you will see here one option, lift to show lock screen. Just turn on this button. Turn on the button against lift to show lock screen. Now put lock your screen and lift your phone like this, and basic info will be showing. See here, I locked my screen and just from horizontal position to vertical position, I just lift like this, and basic info will be showing like clock, date and time, weather, etc. In this way, you can easily set a lift to show lock screen in your phone Nothing Phone 1. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.